Liberty Walk body shop. So this is where all the body works get done, where the kits are packaged. There. Couple cars back there, nothing special. Got an R35 right here. A Lambo. We got a Ferrari over here. Here, okay. So he's let me know this is where they package all the kits right here on this red carpet. And the kits back here, okay. And we have the kits back here. Skyline, okay. Hurricane, okay. That's nice. Do you always have like a kit ready to go?
No,
Or
some. Only
Okay.
some.
Only some, okay. That's really cool.
Like a GTR or Supra,
Uh-huh.
very popular kit.
Okay. And everything else is pretty much made to order. Yeah.
So this is actually someone else's order. It's ready to ship.
This is our stock. Oh, okay. So these are stock kits. Yeah. Like you said, the Supra and the GTR kits are usually ready available, and everything else is pretty much made when the order is placed. So, yeah. Yeah.
It's been a long time.
He's saying something about the warehouse on fire.
Wow.
Yeah, this is actually 2 boxes right here, already packaged and ready to go out. And of course. Alright, that's it, guys.
They still have to move.